Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria gutuga Athaki riria rirahaririirio ni kambuni ya Kenya Breweries, Ngabana wa Uasin Gishu augite kihaaro gia Kipchoge ni gikurika na ihenya na nigetha Athaki mambiririe gukihuthira.
We are a little bit embarrassed as government that we've really not achieved what we would have loved to in terms of sports facilities. But I want to assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that we are working very hard together with the Ministry of Sports to make sure that Kipchoge Keno Stadium here is completed. The contractors let us down in terms of speed. And you know, in this country, contracts and legislations have become a very big challenge in terms of the execution of some of these projects.
Mandago ningĩ nĩagathĩrĩirie athaki aya nĩ ũndũ wa maumĩrĩra mega ma mbitika cia Tokyo na kũrĩa Kenya yarĩkirie arĩ namba ĩmwe gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Africa.
It was a very, very excellent performance. When all was done and the record standings were put, we were excited to learn that we were on top of the continent.
Kambuni ya Kenya Breweries kuri uguo ni maugite no meguthie na mbere na kunyitirira mathako guku bururi-ini kuona Kenya ni yakire wega thiini wa murugamo wa thi.
What I said is you guys already leave us champions. So I understand that there is pressure to win. But I'd like you to recognize that by the time you're flying the flag of the country, you're already champions. We recognize you. You inspire us. Please continue with the good work that you do.
Sports alone does 90% of the marketing of this nation internationally. I'm not a sports person myself, but whenever I go in my course of duty as the governor, the moment they say Governor Mandago was in Gishu County, Kenya, the first thing they ask me, are you unakimbia? How is Eliud Kipchoge? Dr. Kipchoge Keno.
Hamwe na athaki arĩa marekinyitie ni njorua wa marathon Eliud Kipchoge, Perez Jepchirchir, Faith Kipyegon wa ihenya rĩa mita 1,500 gatagati ka angĩ, na kũrĩa mũhotani wa thahabu aratugagwo na ciringi 900. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.